Hello, time constant of RC circuits. We have two circuits. In first circuits, resistance and capacitance both connected in parallel, and total resistance RT equal to 2 ohm and total capacitance 2 farad, and time constant T equal to RT multiplied by CT equal to 4 seconds. In second circuit, resistance R1 and R2 connected in parallel, and capacitors C1 and C2 connected in series. The total resistance RT equal to 1 ohm and total capacitance CT equal to 1 farad, and the time constant of second circuit T equal to 1 second. Okay, thank you.